Hi friends, today we are going to make a real clock. And we are going to make a real clock. The things needed are a cardboard piece and a yellow, any color sheet, even white, and put it here. And take a old broken clock and take out its motor and take out its hands like second hands, hour hands and minute hands. Let's see how to do. First step. Take your paper and cardboard and put a paper on it. Then trace this lightly. If you trace it darkly, it can be not possible to erase. Let's start. Trace it with the old clock or any other circular thing.